da bawb, croeso I Dysgu Cymraeg gyda'r Teulu. Heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu y Dyddiad. Good morning everyone, Miss Worth here, and today we are going to be learning the date. We're going to start learning the days of the week, then the months of the year, and then the seasons. Let's start with the days of the week. Dydd Llun, Monday. Dydd Mawrth, Tuesday. Dydd Mercher, Wednesday. Dydd Iau, Thursday. Dydd Gwener, Friday. Dydd Sadwrn, Saturday. A Dydd Sul, Sunday. Those are the days of the week. In the foundation phase, we love to learn songs about the days of the week. Let's have a go at singing one together now.
Dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawr, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawr, dydd Mercher, dydd Iau, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn.
Next, let's learn the months of the year. Mis Ionawr, January. Mis Chwefror, February. Mis Mawrth, March. Mis Ebrill, April. Mis Mai, May. Mis Mehefin, June. Mis Gorffennaf, July. Mis Awst, August. Mis Medi, September. Mis Hydref, October. Mis Tachwedd, November. A mis Rhagfyr, December. And the seasons. Wanwen, spring. Yr Haf, summer. Hydref, autumn. Gaea, winter. So those are the days of the week, the months of the year, and the seasons. If you take a look at the placemat, you will find the question, faint ydy dy oed di? Faint ydy dy oed di means, how old are you? You may answer this question by saying, dwi'n something oed. I have another of my little friends here today to help us ask and answer the question. So I would ask, faint ydy dy oed di? And my friend would say, dwi'n 7 oed. He is 7 years old. Now, he can ask me the question. Faint ydy dy oed di? Dwi'n 37 oed. I am 37 years old. Why not ask someone who's watching the video with you, faint ydy dy oed di, and see if they can answer the question. I really hope you enjoyed learning about the days of the week this week. Have a little look at the tasks in the Google Classroom. If you're not on Google Classroom, why not make yourself a weather chart with the days of the week and record the weather every day for the next week? Or draw a picture of yourself for one of the seasons, such as summer or winter, and label the clothes using the Dyddiad vocabulary we have already learnt. Next time, we will be learning some hints and tips on how to read. As you learnt the alphabet last week, give it a practice before next week and you'll see how we can use the sounds of the Welsh alphabet to build up words and other tricks and tips you can use to help you figure out what those words mean. Hwyl fawr, ffrindiau!